Bulgaria and Romania are officially full members of Schengen. On the first day of the new year, Bulgaria's caretaker prime minister symbolically raised the border barrier at the Kulata crossing at the border between Bulgaria and Greece. He also inspected the organization set up for the functioning of the checkpoint, saying Bulgarian citizens will feel the comfort of the membership from the first day.
Благодарение и на граничните полицаи, и на военнослужащите, и на служителите на Frontex, на всичките ни съюзници в Европейския съюз. И аз съм убеден, че всички заедно ще пазим много по-добре външните граници вече на Европейския съюз.
At midnight, Romania and Bulgaria also celebrated their full Schengen membership with ceremonies at their land borders. While controls at all borders with the EU are abolished, partial controls will be implemented at the Bulgarian-Romanian border for the next 6 months. The expansion came after months of efforts to integrate Bulgaria and Romania into the zone by Hungary's government as it held the presidency of the EU.